Hi everyone! Today we're making these super cute yarn-wound shapes, an oval, triangle, star, and crescent moon. This easy craft is perfect for preschoolers to practice their fine motor skills while having fun.
You will need the following supplies. 1. Drawing block backing or heavy cardstock. 2. Different colored yarn. 3. Our shapes template downloadable from the link in description. 4. Googly eyes. 5. Double-sided tape. 6. Glue and 7. Scissors.
Let's get started. First, download and print the free shape templates from the link in the description below. You'll get 2 pages of shapes to work with. Next, glue these template pages onto heavy cardstock or a sturdy drawing block backing. This will make the shapes easier to handle and wind yarn around. Once the glue is dry, carefully cut out each shape along the lines. Use a sharp scissors so you can cut them out easily. Let's start with the oval-shaped one. Now, line the shape with double-sided tape. You can do this on just the front or also the back. This sticky surface will help the yarn stay in place as you wind. Choose your favorite colors of yarn and start winding from the top of the shape, working your way down. Secure the area you start at with a little extra tape or glue. Then start winding around the shape. Make sure to wind the yarn tightly and close together, with no gaps. To bring your shapes to life, stick on some googly eyes and use black yarn to create a cute little mouth. Repeat these steps for all the other shapes. And soon, you'll have a whole collection of adorable yarn friends. And there you have it, a fun, simple craft that helps kids build fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and creativity. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the description for our website link for more free activities. See you next time!